love them so much. Whenever we are doing meditation, spiritual practices, prayers, bhajans, or spiritual things, anything, any spiritual practices, that is appointment with the God. You are connected with the God through your prayer, through your mantra. That's why I mentioned in the beginning of our program, when we chant A, E, the Sikh letters, it creates a beautiful, powerful Shakti Mandala around us. Each and every syllable, sound syllables are creating very powerful Shakti Mandala. It's called Mandala, is the unbelievable energy field around our body. We are just sitting in the middle of that energy field by chanting Gayatri Mantra, or Namo Narayana Mantra, or Namah Shivaya Mantra, or Khadgamala, Panchada Sakshari Mantra, Lalita Sahasranamas, Sambudita Sri Suktam, the combination of very powerful Sikh letters. Just in one arm, see, only one letter is there. When we chant Sreem, Sa, Ra, E, four letters are there. Similarly, Hreem, there are four letters are there. So in one letter, there are four combinations. Other letters are embedded in those letters. So imagine the energy field of those Sikh letters. So it is so powerful. That's why Saraswati mantra in the beginning of our meditation, we're just listening that mantra vibrations, eradicate all the karmic bondages from the chakras.